Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your old projects on the KineMaster application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device. And once you open it up, after it is fully loaded, you will be taken into the Create page, from which you can open up any of your old projects or you can create a new one right away. Now, your old projects are clearly visible and you can simply tap on the three dots alongside where you will see the delete button. When you tap on this, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your project. From here, you can simply tap on the delete button to confirm your choice, and this project will be deleted right away. If you have multiple projects, then simply tap on the select button, and now you can simply use the checkbox to check all of the projects that you would like to delete. After choosing all of your preferred project that you want to delete, tap on the trash can icon, and now once you confirm your decision, this project will be deleted from your saved projects right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete any of your old saved projects on the KineMaster application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.